All right, as everybody saw in their last video.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Radiator's out.
Yep.
Fans out.
So
we're just getting ready to go underneath, and you and I are gonna just kind of see how heavy this bitch is. And figure out what we're gonna do.
Because it's ready to come out. I mean, all we have to do is unbolt it and pull it out. Everything has been disconnected. Absolutely everything.
Hope, though.
But as I was here, I didn't remember if we went over this. This thing needs stabilizer bar bushings.
Oh my god.
I mean, they're destroyed.
Yeah,
and these, the ends are just as bad. These are just absolutely fucked.
Yeah,
and the one that's over here is bowed out and split and looks like this.
Does it look like poo?
It looks like about every average old guy about 90 years of age with enough wrinkles to... Yeah, they're really, really bad.
Scotty just described his sack.
No, that's got more wrinkles than that.
Oh, okay.
But at least it's in its original sack.
Original container?
Original container and all.
Okay, so...
and a real quickie, just to give
of course, the light down here is dead.
Oh, because Scotty was a douche canoe.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm getting a light that works.
Come on, come on. Come, little doggy.
Where do you want me to come? On what?
What? Exactly.
For how many doggy biscuits?
Right now I'm only doing Klondike bars and Scooby snacks.
Ooh, Scooby snacks.
So, because there was so many bolts that were just really, really nasty, we did our magic tricky.
Yep, we showed those in the jars.
And they came out so nice.
It's hard to see them, but it's okay.
So what I'll do is I'll probably try and match the paint and see if I can't find a flat black or satin. I don't remember which one is on this car. And I will repaint the heads of the bolts, let them dry before everything goes back in again.
All right.
So we should be pretty good.
Back to business.
Back to the business.
Well, I'll be motherfucker. You got all the hardware out, you said.
Yeah, everything's out.
So.
I just want to re-verify all our bags really, really quick.
We still need to get this cross member at least down. How do we plan on doing so?
I don't think we need to.
I disagree.
I don't think we need to.
I disagree.
Because, now remember, once we push up on the tail of the transmission, we can get the mount out. And that's going to give us 2+ inches worth of room.
Okay, but...
So, if once everything's been disconnected, we will have enough room to shove this transmission back 5 to 6 inches.
And drop it out through the
front.
And
then out through the front. I think that's going to be the easiest route.
Terrifying, but okay.
I agree, but at least it saves us on having to deal with...
I mean, everything that's been undone, we have to undo it.
Exactly. It has to be undone anyway.
We do.
Yep.
So, we're not losing time.
Correct.
We are just trying
to
save time.
Yeah.
But there's no guarantee that we will. But stuff all has to come apart either way up here, so...
Yep. And I zip strapped. I don't know if you can see it if you go up top. I zip strapped the U-joint caps on.
Oh yeah, there you go.
So that we won't lose them, and they're together.
That's cute. That thing's got so much end play, it's silly. Anyway, okay, so do you want to try? How the fuck are we gonna do this?
I don't know yet.
Do you want to push up? Hey, you all right? Do I need to cut? Is the exhaust hanger okay? Let me see your head. It's still there. Ooh, you got a little mark right here. I see it.
Is it bleeding?
No.
I mean, I got all my shots, so I mean, I'm not worried.
Your rabies?
Yeah, I got that was last week.
You got rabies last week?
Yeah, I did my rabies.
Where are you picking up, guys? I'm getting rabies and not...
Hey.
No, rabies is better than herpes.
This is true. Well, gonorrhea facipilades as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Okay, He-Man. Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
No.
So what we're gonna need to do is probably set this thing down with the jack right here.
Yep.
And crawl underneath and do that. All right, so next shot will be like that.